Let me get one more this thing. Okay, it is not existing for this one. Let me get one more delivery. Same. Yeah, now it was taken automatically. If you see, not very defined. And this class I will tell you. Okay, what is WPT? What is this thing? I will tell you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Now, what we should do? We need to decrease the quantity and need to perform the GR first of all. Here 10 quantity I received here. I want to change the quantity to 5 quantity with the quantity adjustment. First I want to perform with I001 5 quantity means -5 will keep. Okay, now just save it. Now I'm performing the GR now. Just click on the goods receipt button here. Click on the GR button. Okay, GR is completed. Can you see? The goods receipt is completed. Now I want to check ECC system. I want to go back to ECC and I want to check my delivery. VL33N. This delivery if I check. Can you see here? No. What happened? So I want to check some queues. There is a queue failed. Why it is failed? Oh, account determination for INT BSX not possible. Oh. No violation class only. How come? 002. Oh, now I'll reprocess the queue. Whatever that is failed. Yeah. Now check the delivery. Okay. Can you see what happened here?
Previously it is 10, it is reduced to 5.
Yes, previously it was maintained as 10 quantity when distributed to EWM system. Now EWM received only 5 quantity and 5 was decreased because of they received only 5 physical quantity. They maintained only 5 in delivery and they performed the goods receipt. Once they performed the goods receipt, system updated the respective status in the ECC system as 5 quantity here. If you go to goods movement data here, it is completed. Means with respect to 5 quantity, it was completed. Did you get the point? Now one more thing is there, okay. Now let's stop it here, this one. I wanted to, after GR we can't do anything. GR reversal we can do. I will do reversal. But GR reversal with respect to versions, okay. With respect to some versions, it is not possible. If it is like 9.4, 9.5, it is possible to reverse the goods receipt. Okay, can you see? I have performed the reversal of the goods is I have done. Okay.
Okay.
Even if you have done the reversal also, save it. One ERP delivery will trigger to ECC system, PPF action, and it will try to update the reverse the status from the ECC also. But once you do the put away, now only GR. But in case put away, if you have done, we cannot reverse it. That you should remember. Okay.
Okay.
Last activity, if you do, you cannot do reversal. Now this was didn't came back because again it was failed with some this thing actually. Just leave that one, don't put it. Now I'm going to create one more delivery. My system
Aram,
we will not. Sorry.
can you please explain what is the configuration you have done, because it's complex today.
One
You have done some configuration to resolve the issue, correct?
that is WPT config. I will tell you. Okay, it's different topic that is various
Oh,
host.
okay. Okay, fine.
I want to show you some basic things and after that I will tell you that.
Okay. Aram, one doubt. If you do the GR, it will reflect in purchase or receipt tab, correct?
Yes, it will reflect. I'll show you that also. Now this is there 20 kg it was there. Okay. I wanted to decrease to 10 kg, but remaining 10 kg I want to receive with respect to other delivery. Means I'm receiving in this load I'm receiving 10 kg. In the next load I am receiving one more 10 kg. For that I want system to create one more same delivery with respect to 10 kg. How it will create? I am applying the process code to decrease the quantity with the quantity adjustment. Okay. Instead of using I001, I want to use I002. Delivery difference plus adjust document plus quantity. This one if I do, minus 10 if I do exactly. Enter and save it. Activity was carried. Now if you observe carefully this one, reference document. Go to item details. Reference document if you see. PO, inbound revenue notification, here. So it is not creating here. Give me a second. It should create actually. Again, there is some configuration issue somewhere. Generally, it will create ERP ERO document. Okay, ERP has same document, this document, and ERO as a new document. It will create generally new delivery. It will create with respect to the remaining difference quantity generally. Okay, that is the use of process codes generally. Okay, one process code we will try to update delivery quantity directly, and it will not create extra delivery. So I001 it will not get extra delivery, just it will adjust the differences. But I002 it will it will adjust the quantity and also it will create new delivery. Okay, but you need to practice this one actually. You should test this one. In dummy system, I think it's not working, but it will works in real time. Okay. And I003, I004, don't worry. Okay. I003 is like yeah, I will do in case any delivery differences with respect to while unloading. You unloaded some 29 quantity and 30 quantity is there, and you don't know how much you unloaded. Just you want system to know how much hour you unloaded. With respect to that, system will do the GR. In that case, we can perform delivery difference plus node adjustment. Means what? It will try to check the differences. How much you unloaded, and how much it is there in the system. It will compare both and it will try to adjust this quantity. This one is like rejection. We can do rejection directly here. Okay.
Aram, if it is creating another delivery means it will send to ECC or not?
Yes, yes, it will send.
Oh,
Okay, same like this, automatic, everything automatic system will do in the background, and it will create one more delivery for the remaining quantity, and it will distribute to even a EC system also.
okay.
Okay, yeah, and I think there is some activity you need to perform to activate the functionality, but that is not there now. Okay, in the current system it is not there, and but I can show you. Okay, maybe give me some time, I can show you that. This is this part. So GR part we know a bit now. Now one more thing we should discuss is double PT. That is called Veros process types. That is called Veros process type. In generally in ECC system we have movement types, right? In ECC and this MM part you have movement types, right? What is movement type?
Based on the moment type, the accounting entries will be get changed.
No,
If
no, no.
it
See, that is something okay. Movement type means what?
it's a three-digit code, it defines the what it is going to happen. It may be GR, GI.
See, what is the movement type indicates 101,
It's for goods received against purchase order.
161,
Um,
okay, 122.
no idea, sorry.
Okay, fine. You know only 101. Okay, fine. So if you take 122, 124, 161, okay, means what? It's like returns. You're returning some goods to the vendor back, right?
Yes.
If you take example like 341, Okay, those kind of things. What it indicates? What is internal posting moment type? Can anyone tell me? Internal posting. If you want to do internally, if you don't know moment type, that's fine. Okay. Internally, if you want to transfer some goods, what is the moment type? From call.
309 store
Sorry.
location 309 movement type.
Okay. Okay. You want to level like
Store location to store
in
location in the same plant.
311. Okay. You want to sell 311.
Yeah, 311. Yeah.
Okay, 311 is the moment type to move the stock from one storage location to other storage location. If I want to transfer from plant to plant, 301 I need to use. How, see, forget about moment type now. I am a end user guy, just think I am an end user guy. I want to move the stock from one storage location to other storage location. Okay, this location to other location, I want to move in the same plant, and you are a consultant. Okay, and if you tell me like I want to move from this location to that location, how can I move? What do you tell? Systematically, I want to move the stock from this location to that location. How can I move?
Go to Migio, choose the transfer posting option, then pass material and storage locations. Then
Mhm.
uh, pass the movement type, then execute it will transfer.
The main thing is like moment type here. You should tell moment type.
Okay.
If you don't tell moment type, which moment type you will use? If you use 301, what will happen? I am using 301. What will happen? The 301 is like plan to plan transfer,
Yeah,
not
correct.
S-log to S-log transfer. What is moment type here? Moment type is defining like for what action, what moment we are taking place. We want to move the one part from storage location to storage location. In that case, I need to use 311 moment type because 311 moment type will support to move the stock from within the storage locations. 301, that moment type will help you to move the stock from one plant to other plant. If you are carrying one box, one nearby place, you can carry by hands, right? By box, if you take a box. But in the same box, if you want to move to some 1 kilometer distance different plant, will you carry in hands and you will go there? No, right? You need to
No.
bring a truck, and in the truck you will keep, and in the vehicle you will go and you will keep there. Means what? Every movement will have separate things will be there, right? Here it is carrying with movement type. Every movement is carrying with a movement type, right? If you are doing physical inventory, which movement type you should do?
Finally, 701 and 702.
Can I do with 101 physical inventory?
No, no.
Why? It is not defined for physical inventory.
Yeah.
For physical inventory system means for SAP standard is defined some moment. So this moment is for physical inventory. Every moment they define some moment types. Like in EWM also, there are no moment types in EWM. But we have WPT that is called warehouse process type. In warehouse, lot of movements will be there. All those movements will be controlled by WPT, warehouse process type. If you see here warehouse process type, we can see put away, distributive, returns, okay, and you can see only same naming convention we can see, but in the real time we can see returns, put away, goods received, internal movement, okay, all those activities you can see in the warehouse process type. Warehouse process type defines like physical plus logical movements, physical plus logical movements. Physically, if you are moving goods inside the warehouse, or logically, if you are moving inside the warehouse, warehouse process type will trigger WPT, warehouse process type. All movements controlled by WPT only. All movements controlled by WPT only. Now, how do you define the warehouse process type first of all? How it will trigger first of all warehouse process type with respect to movement type? You are telling that movement type is equal to warehouse process type. But how this warehouse process type will trigger here? Let me go to some MM part. let me discuss some basics. Okay. So if you are doing some returns, MM part I am discussing, materials management. If you are doing returns, how do you create PO? How will you create PO?
In PO, we have some option called return PO option.
Okay. Written PO means what? Written PO means what? Document type, right?
Yeah,
You are using it written PO document type you are using, and you are creating a written PO. Okay. And with respect to the written PO, what you are doing? You are going to create what? Returns outbound, right?
yeah,
You are going to create an returns outbound. If that distribute to EWM, if that distribute to EWM, okay. In the returns outbound, you have some different document types will be there. Different document types and different item types will be there. And with respect to that, in EWM system also, I explained in the last class, different document types, and different item type will be there. This is called mapping. Last class I told you mapping,
yeah, yeah.
of document type and item type. EWM also different document type and different item type will be there. And how this WPT will be triggered for all these things in EWM? WPT will be triggered based on the document type and item type. Document type and item type. Now just remember, based on these two things it will trigger, and there are a lot of other things also there that I will discuss in the next class. Now just think that WPT will trigger based on the document type and item type. Now in ECC part, we have in the respect to PO, we have document type. With respect to those things, we can see in the document types in the outbound or inbound. And with respect to that, in the EWM system, we can see a delivery with respect to document type and item type. Okay. And with respect to the EWM system document type and item type, we can see WPT, whereas process type, and that will trigger based on the document type and item type. So the WPT is having now WPT for returns. I cater one separate WPT for returns. Just think like this is the returns for WPT. Okay, this is the returns 4030. It will trigger WPT. In that case, how it will trigger? Based on the document type. Based on here document type, it will trigger the WPT here. Means what? It is a movement now. Based on this document type, it will trigger document types. Okay, means it's a movement. It is telling to system that okay, WPT 4020 means returns. It is moving. It is returning the goods to the vendor. Like that, it's a movement. It is controlling on movement actually. Got it?
Based on the document type plus various movement type, the movement type will be get changed. Am I correct?
Based on the document type and item type.
Item type, okay.
Item type. Based on the document type and item type. Okay. IDLV. Okay. Item type. Okay. Now I will show you that. Okay. But first of all, let me show you how to create the warehouse process types. First of all, how to create the warehouse process types. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Go to here SEWM external warehouse management. Go to cross process settings here. Go to cross process settings. Here you can go to warehouse task. Warehouse task. And here go to define warehouse process type. Go to define warehouse process type. Someone is locked it. Define warehouse process type. Now here I'm going to GRW, my plant, my warehouse, sorry.